So good day everyone, my name is Ana Marie Pasaol and now I am going to discuss about the Malolos Constitution, the background of its framing. So the Malolos Constitution was the first constitution of the Philippines. So it was created in the year 1899. So it was a set of laws that established the first Philippine Republic and marking the country's effort to become independent after centuries of Spanish rule. So Malolos Constitution was the first Republican constitution in the Asia. So it is the basic law of the first Philippine Republic, and at the time Emilio Aguinaldo was the president, whose form of government was unitary semi-presidential constitutional. So it is a form of government or a strong central government or unitary. So ang central government, for example, ang head of the government kay mag-manage sa national nga mga issues. So for example, ang defense, foreign policies, and even the economic policies. So the Constitution was framed during a period of intense and nationalistic fervor following centuries of Spanish colonization. So the Philippine Revolution against Spain began in 1896 and leading to a desire for self-governance among the Filipinos. So kani nga revolution nga gitawag og Philippine Revolution kay nag-aim ni siya nga ma-achieve ang independence from the colonial rule. So for how many years ang Philippines was ruled by the Spain? Over 333 years. So during at this time ang mga Filipino people kay nara sila gamay nga freedom para sa ilahang kaugalingon. So they had a little say in their own government. But in the year 1896 ang mga Filipinos is kay nag-start sila nga mag-fight back against the Spanish rule. So mo na to ang gitawag na Philippine Revolution. So ang mga Filipino people before kay wanted to be free and have control over their own country. So as a result, ang mga Filipino kay na-develop nila ang strong sense of nationalism. So which means they feel proud of their identity and wanted to govern themselves. So kani nga desire nga para sa independence kay lead to a creation of a constitution, which is a set of rules that authorize or how the government should work. So the Malolos Constitution was created during a significant time in the Philippine history, specifically during the Philippine Revolution and the Spanish-American War. So the Malolos Constitution was created during a time when ang mga Filipinos were feeling very patriotic and wanted nga ang ilahang country kay ma-free from the Spanish rule. So the strong desire for independence grew after the Philippine Revolution. So where the Filipinos began fighting against the Spanish colonizers. Ang tungod ni ana ang mga Filipino kay ginahan sila nga naa sila'y own power sa ilahang country and own power sa ilahang government and making their own decisions. So rather than being controlled by the Spain. So Felipe Calderon y Roca and Felipe Buencamino were the two people who wrote the Malolos Constitution. So Felipe Calderon y Roca is a prominent Filipino lawyer and also a politician and intellectual. So best known as the father of the Malolos Constitution. So nag-write siya sa Constitution. It focus on the ensuring the civil liberties and the separation of powers. So while Felipe Buencamino was also a politician, a lawyer, and a journalist known for his contribution of the establishment of the first Philippine Republic and drafting the Malolos Constitution, he also emphasized the socio-economic rights in the Malolos Constitution. And the Malolos Congress met on September 15, year 1898 to draft a constitution at the Barsoing Church. So ang Barsoing Church kay gitawag siya cradle of democracy in the East. It is because It plays a pivotal role in the establishment of the first Philippine Republic. And because of that, it was signed into law by the Malolos Congress on January 21, 1899. And the Malolos Constitution was in operation from January 23, 1899 to March 23, 1901. And here is an example of the preamble of Malolos Constitution. We, the representatives of the Filipino people, lawfully convened in order to establish justice, provide for common defense, promote the general welfare, and ensure the benefits of liberty, imploring the aid of the sovereign legislator of the universe for the attainment of these ends, have voted, decreed, and sanctions the following political constitution. And the Malolos Constitution established the authority of the Filipino people. So, ang goal ani kay ma-establish ang just and humane nga society. So, ginahan sila nga na justice ang every Filipino, na same ang treatment ang mga Filipino, and mag-shared of responsibility. So building this kind of society mag-requires and cooperation from everyone, so individual, communities, and even the government. And also provide for common defense, so they have the nasilay ng safety and security. So the first Constitution of the Philippines, it is the year when the Filipino has started to fight against their independence, and because of that, ang Malolos Constitution kay nakahatag siya og impact sa mga Filipino before, og tungod na nakamit nila ang ilahang freedom og naa sila'y power in terms of their country and kung unsa ang ilahan nga gusto nga buhaton. So that me end of my part, and I hope everyone have the knowledge and ideas about the Malolos Constitution. So goodbye and thank you.